Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to tell you how to transfer your money from Binance to WazirX. First you need to open your Binance app. After you open that, click to the wallet section. After going to the wallet section, you can see there are many options. So click to the option third party account. After that, click on the WazirX. It will be open in browser. Then it will ask you to log in through Binance. You just have to fill your ID and password here. After filling that, after that you will have to pass through security verification by filling OTP. As you can see, I have filled it and logged in. Go to the corner section and click on the funds. After clicking that, you can see here transfer funds in Binance. You just have to click there. Now a page will be open. Here you can choose whatever the coin you are going to just transfer from WazirX to Binance. As you can see, there are limited amount of coins here. You cannot find all the coins which you want to transfer from WazirX to Binance. So you will have to first see that whatever the coin you are going to transfer, is it available on the list or not. After that you can just choose the coin and fill the whatever amount you want to transfer. Now let's see how to transfer your money from Binance to WazirX. Open Binance app and go to the wallet section. There you can see transfer option. Just click on the transfer option and change the transfer wallet to WazirX. Then select the whatever coin you want to transfer, like Bitcoin and anything else. So just select the cryptocurrency and the amount and just click on the transfer button, and it will be easily transferred from your Binance account to WazirX account. One thing I would like to tell you that they are not charging any fee right now, but in future maybe they will charge. So it is kind of limited amount of offer right now. I hope you guys find it more helpful. Subscribe it and hit the like button for more awesome videos.